black seed, whose homeland is Southwest Asia, has been one of the most popular herbs in medicine throughout history. It is one of the most scientifically researched plants, while the benefits of black seed, which contains all the beneficial components of the soil, do not end by counting on new benefits is being discovered every day. This seed, which provides incredible benefits to our body with its rich compound pool, is good for many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits of black seed consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a spoonful of black seed a day? This seed is very important for our liver health. The liver is an organ that cleans our entire body. So, who cleans the liver? Of course, black seed. With the toxin reducing substances it contains, it assumes very important responsibilities for the correct cleaning of not only the liver but also all other organ structures. It also contains healthy fats such as omega-3, which protects heart health. It is a very good source of folic acid. Also, it's rich in B1, B2, B6, niacin, iron, calcium, zinc, selenium, and magnesium. Fatty acids help raise the levels of good cholesterol in the body while helping to lower the levels of bad cholesterol. The phytosterol substances it contains reduce the formation of inflammation in the body. On the other hand, this nutrient is a good source of insoluble fiber, which is insoluble in water and remains in the digestive tract after consumption. Insoluble fiber absorbs excess water in the gut and promotes the growth of probiotic bacteria. The dietary fiber and polysaccharides in its content protect the intestinal flora and relieve all digestive functions. The folic acid it contains improves all stomach functions by preventing the formation of Helicobacter pylori, which causes problems such as gastritis. On the other hand, this seed improves glucose tolerance as efficiently as metformin. It has a very rich content of unsaturated fatty acids that balance the amount of sugar in your blood and control the way it is used by the body. In people who have problems with blood sugar imbalance, sugar particles that usually appear after meals become unusable by forming inappropriate bonds with protein substances in the body. This process is called glycation. In the medical world, the antioxidants in black seed slow down the glycation process by cooperating with beneficial fatty acids. In this way, it assumes very important responsibilities in the control of blood sugar. When a spoonful of black seed is consumed, it takes about 78 hours to be completely digested. During this period, it is slowly given to the blood tissue, prolonging the time of satiety and slowing down the absorption of sugar. At the same time, black seed contains thiamine and potassium, which protects the cell structure. These compounds, which try to prevent brain diseases and have very important health benefits, also fight stress, depression caused by low serotonin and epinephrine. In addition, compounds such as iron, calcium, calcium and magnesium basically increase body resistance by facilitating immune activities. They fight against disease structures that take control in process where the immune system is weakened by viruses and bacteria. So, is there any harm in a seed that is so beneficial? First of all, black seed is a seed that should be consumed in a controlled manner. This food, which has very important effects on our stomach and intestine health, can cause some discomfort in the digestive system, including the stomach and intestines, when consumed in high amounts in a short time. With its spongy structure and fiber content. In addition, among the compounds used by the medical world today, there is also black seed extracts. Therefore, it's likely to interact with some medications. Consult your doctor before adding flaxseed, black seed, and similar strong supplements to your diet, especially if you have medications that you need to use constantly. So, how much black seed should be today? This seed oil is available in powder and tablet form. Experts recommend consuming a teaspoon of black seed 3 to 4 days a week. In the light of this information, you can add black seed to your nutrition program and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay well, stay informed.